example. Are proportion questions, and I would say they're the easiest to do, but also the easiest to make a simple mistake on. For this reason, okay? The common mistake in this is someone's like, I want to make 20% lemon juice for this one, and I've got 2 liters. 20% of 2 liters is 400 mils or 0.4 liters. I think I should add 0.4 liters, and then you get it wrong. What's the problem is because a proportion, and this is step 1. Step 1 is write out, and you can maybe skip this if you want. So I'll write out the proportion in words. Well, I want 20% lemon juice. 20%, well this is not words, but I'll write that as a number. But it would be your lemon juice over the total liquid. That's how you get a percentage, right? It's how much lemon juice you have out of the total. And if you want 20% lemon juice, you can't just figure out 20% of the water, because as we write this out with, we're going to choose a variable and write the equation. Well, I don't know how much lemon juice I want to add. That's going to be my x. That's my lemon juice. But my total is not just 2 liters, because as soon as you add something to that, your total goes up. So the common mistake is students forget that the total liquid goes up when you add something to something else. And it still needs to equal 20 out of 100. Maybe you reduce this to 2 out of 10, 1 out of 5. And now we have an equation. We need a common denominator. So this first one, I hope you see that you, a 5 and a 5. The second one is missing the 2 plus x. And the 2 plus x. And you can multiply to get rid of your denominators. And we're left with 5x equals 2 plus x. Move the x over. 4 x's would equal 2. Divide both sides. 2 over 4, which is 1/2. You would need 1/2 of a liter, or 500 milliliters of lemon juice. But very easy to think, I just need to find 20% of 2. And if it's that easy, you're probably going to be making a mistake, because the total is changing. When you add something, your total changes. So then it doesn't just work out to be the same number. Visually, we want 1/5. Okay? If I put lemon juice in yellow and water in blue, can you see that the lemon right now is 1/5 of the whole thing? So if this whole part here was 2 liters, you just need to divide your 2 liters by 4 to figure out your lemon juice, not divide it by 5, 1/5, or 20%. It's kind of a nice visual for figuring this out. It might be what you could do to solve any question. If you wanted 1/4, there'd be 3 of these and 1 of that to make 1/4. Anyways, questions you can circle on this one, just number 7.